Hello, this is Joshua Reynolds speaking to you from the R&R Reformed and Restored YouTube channel. I want to say that I have a little bit of unfortunate news to give. Charlie Porubsky, who is still in high school, had many good reasons why, unfortunately, he will not be able to continue with this podcast. As a result, he has decided that he will have to bow out of the podcast for now. He may be coming back, and Lord willing, some point in the future, we might be able to work something out there. In the meantime, this podcast is not ending. I do not plan to finish or close up the podcast here, but I do plan to continue it. So a brief message on where I want to take this podcast from here. I plan to continue on filming episodes using the Reformed faith as kind of a foundational point for filming or for discussion topics, and I plan to bring on guests who will be on the show still, and that way there will still be two theologians conversing. So I still plan to have this podcast to be a dialogue between me and somebody else for the purpose of discussing scholarly theology from a Reformed perspective. I am also in the middle of fundraising for this project, R&R, as well as for other projects I am attempting to jumpstart currently. So I do ask for a little bit of patience as I try to get the show on the road and keep it on the road. Patreon is still on hold, as I do want to get a lot more content out before I really get a Patreon account going for those supporters who really want to donate and support. I'm seeking more local fundraising ideas at the moment, but I do plan to eventually, maybe in 3 to 6 months, have Patreon fully set up, and I say let's continue R&R. I'll probably be switching branding eventually from Reformed and Restored. I have a few ideas for a title, but all of that is still in the works. But anyway, wanted to film this video to say that we're still on the road. The show is not halting, and I plan to continue R&R and for good things to happen in the future. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the future on more episodes. Thank you.